First of all, I want to thank you all who liked and commented on my previous episodes. Today we're gonna talk about the wiring and the code. So let's connect the stepper driver to nodemcu, then the buzzer to D5 and ground. Then we have to connect LED to D8 and ground. And then let's power the stepper driver with 9-volt battery. And in order to power nodemcu from 9-volt battery, we're gonna use step-down power supply. And for start and stop, we're gonna connect self-lock switch. So let's have a look at the code. Just make sure to add this link in your preferences. That's important if you use nodemcu. I will add it to the description. Then go to Tools and choose the right board. Then before you connect your board to the USB, check the port numbers that are present. I'll just explain the logic behind the code. When you push the start button, then there will be a short melody from the buzzer. Then the motor will start to rotate with the lowest speed, and when it reaches 2000 steps, then it will stop and LED for the next gear will be on. Then the motor will start to rotate with faster speed. The speed can be easily adjusted in the code. Just check out the comments. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel with like and follow.